ka khasi auto society KAS ke ban kra sha ban prolong ya ke Jingiakhih ha kanong ba chilong ban penju ya ke Jingdawa ban itu no ya ke tin khasi kum ke tin sokal ha ke jela kala kandit hadin ba sokal kala pun ulong ya ke Jingdawa jengki mentak sengi mutrang ba ke jela Conrad ke sang marmar mentak sengi hadin ba rai ke kabinet ban itu ya ke tin khasi bat karo ha ke kam sokal ha ke jela wala Khot ya ke noiram ke khasi auto society ban pentip halo gani Conrad al pentip ru ha ke noiram ke KAS ya ke rai Ibrahim ke soka ban pesak kemau ha ke jela bat ha ke jukupor ka soka ke nyai boden ban penrung sendon ha ke kernit ke bapra kriti sensial ke ri ula pentip ru ba ha ke doba serai ke ban suan ki MLA ke salak ban keren dak tin khasi bat karo nalol ke pareng ulapan jing kesian ke khasi auto society ha ke jing pen kre ka soka ban thau ki rules balo ai kublai ke khasi auto society nak benta ka jing no senyang barat ba jengka kabaylam ya soka ban sim ya ni senjam ka bakra rasanan lang hane ki jing kren dau sembut tang ba ka jela kuntu ba pertun tensong ba u ba seu balang dhar
I think I would like also to appreciate the initiative taken by the KS. I think way back from 98, 99. 1979. Okay. No, but my memory goes like that. Maybe whatever.
Times we have met, and of course I must put in a word to our deputy CM who took the initiative to actually bringing all of this together and having a meeting with the Home Department and the Law Department and consulting the constitutional aspects, because when you make a law and we have to see in the holistic, we cannot just do things because we want to do it. It has to be also constitutionally and legally it has to be tenable. So Honorable Deputy CM has put in a lot of effort, and we're happy to announce that the ordinance has been cleared today.
Okay.
And in the next session, it will be officially passed, because obviously ordinance has to be cleared ratified in the assembly. And while the ratification is happening, and the reason we wish to do it now is because we want that assembly session to also witness the debates and contributions in Khasi and Garo.
Yes.
So that is what we want. So that when this bill is passed, let it be passed when our members speak in Khasi and Garo. So that's why we said that it will be most appropriate when the new assembly opens up. This is the first thing we should clear, and it should be done with the debate in Khasi and Garo. And that is why we are pushing this. And we thought that the first people who should know about this is all of you, because you are the people behind this, and you are the pioneers, and you are the main people behind it. And we are very happy to share this with you. So over to you. Over to you.
It is not a complicated matter. This act is a very small, not that long or complicated one. So maybe it's just like kind of upgradation of these two languages from being the associate official languages to the full-fledged official languages. So we welcome the move of the cabinet of the state under your able leadership, sir, and both of your colleagues, the deputy chief ministers, Preston Pilsong and Ma Shabhala Dhar. I hope they have also been very instrumental in making this demand of the people come true. So we are very thankful to you, sir, and to both your colleagues, the deputy chief ministers, and also the entire team of the state cabinet. So we hope that the governor will also give his assent as soon as you send the same to him. And the process is such that it has to be ratified by the regular assembly session. So that is the process. We don't have anything to say on that. be it through a special session or the cabinet meeting, it's acceptable to us because it is proper to do that. So
Na kalian presiden kekasih Auto Society Dr. Dia Nonglaj Wayatu bah kejinsia kekasih Auto Society kelapan krek syai ban Pynbna ya Jingiakhih ba kat pratarik mentau benai kejinyalang sora hanrai ka lengok baka soka mentakasngi ka simi karai hol kene ke Jingdawa jongki bat kebasa kelong ban ap saya ke jing pentraikan Rong ba kani ke senjam la sim ka soka kadai ke jingjob juga kasi Auto Society kebaya kondo yap kani ke post name ba lep ban penlongkam ba ka ketin kasi kadai ban rungkum ketin ban penonkam kam soka nalo ketin pareng
Chief Minister mende menmet Aisha Nolamet Nyo ya ke Shiki na Deputy Secretary jangka Chief Minister Secretary kabala pentit yangi bau Chief Minister Pak banyak Kynduh yangi Aisha ngi kelap poi perkat baun Khot no menta namar ngi dan penlong ki jingalang Pynbna aki jaka ju kisnat per jong ke khasi Auto Society keleng jong ke beri unyo trap irayo ya kawan penlong ki jingalang Pynbna aki nurut li kisnat ketang ilas dang hak kisnat mongson ya ke pratrik nang tangilaj sejawai kat waitering jong unyo benai kebubuat nang ta kadai syakli riat kat laitering nang ta kat sautering ngiran artli ki jingalang Pynbna kawai hapo umsning jong kisnat nongpo bat kawai pat hamairang ke jingalang bela penlong dan kisnat mairang di hakini ki jingalang ki beradab namar bagini ke Jingdawa jongi ban penlong ya ke ketin kasi ke belayo jing itu apa jong ke kernet ke wapra jong ke British Indonesia jong ke ri India kadang sateng hadu menta ni lasim ya ke rai nadu mensyam senam jong benai me ai ke por bagi pentemai yakino kit kamba menta ba ngidai ban let chipai ba ban pensu tho ya ke jingdon kam ba ka tin khasi nang kan tiu kerdan no shwa ya ka se ka kerdan jongka ketin sarkar naga balong tangka ketin benrap jongka sarkar lani associate official language ngirawang ba kat bangidang budien ya ka jing dawa jongi ban perung apo kredit ka pra se New Delhi ngin kerpat ya ka sarkar jelan bahkan penong no ya ka kasi omshu tang ka associate official language andrei ka full fledged official language ringkat bat ka English hakini ki program negeri singi baladap ngila ya Khot ba ka sarkar kan namdaisho bandang pensat tengi rekap nomor ni sengutu syaikda bahkan ni kadai bet ke kam jong ka sarkar jala kam dan kam banyo ya ka jingmenjur nakunu kunu waipat ka bor tingim sudai ba sarkar kan bu tengi rekap kumta ki meetings ki baladap ngilawang ba dai ban penong no ya ka kasi kum ka tien sarkar apo jong uyayong mentah snap ara jar ar program kamat mentah yu benai apo nai yo tingiraw balada ngimyo khobor ei ador kani ga jing bu por jongi lese ha ka jingelang ka bakhado ka bansalong asora khat pradrek ngin happen bena ya ka weipat ka program lani ka sinjam ka ban jong ka Jingiakhih jongi ka bakham tinge hang ne hasilong menin janmiet menmiet lagi jisha kalau yo ya ka city na deputy secretary jangka chief minister secretariat ka ba Khot yangi ba chief minister ko bani Kynduh yangi ti ngim simpai berkat ba nakeleng government kalanan sedang banle halor kene kam namar kini kisnem ki bala men adum sem sem bro ngi kumba kampat daya itu kata tingiwan ngim poi berkat ba nakeleng jong government kalau ada yaj sakmat but agaji lang chief minister ulai tho ba ngi lawan ra da ordinance halor jong ka Meghalaya State Language Act R1000 san ban penlong no ya keketin khasi bat keketin garo ki official languages lani keketin sarkar papura ti yakni ka sarkar kan supha se governor nagamta ban menjur bat nakring jungi suthu bakata kam dei ke bakla watla haki jing kren jungi jilang ni ong baka sarkar kat Khot ya ka dorbar ke bakerpang dan rei haba kila syong da kabinet ke jingwan ra da ordinance ro ke longhi ke lenti ke badai tangba ke dei banyo pat ya ke jingmenjur ha ka dorbar jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kaban sawan kawai pat ke jing yathu jong chief minister kalong ba wat keketin man penetkam haka jingatai kren gi simta jong inomi khmat inong thawai haka jing dorbar jong ka jelaro en perkhreana ban kren ta keketin khasi ti kata lesikan long ka aka ka ba phla bangini i no haka sin chong dorbar jong ka dorbar tho an ke jela ba kinong mikmat joni kin kren no da ka tien la jong khasi bat garo ti ka sarkar kan hap berkre bon ke bat ngis kam ba sarkar ko mo chimisa ula kren un sala kisala ban le ye kata hagwe dei pat bat ki rules lese hadin bala menjur do governor ki department ki badai ban le ek ta kam kian sesdang ya ke kam bat ngilaong bah ke ba kre ye ki rules lagi ki kendan kumno ban pentri kam ya kedika an ke bat mai ti ka sarkar kadam kam ye ke ban Khot yengiro namar ngisuthu ba nakling kangiro ngila ban no singyang lam ban ai jimut lam ha ka be dai ban ke jipan khre ai kini ka jinga kendo ka jongi minta ka long ka basultanat namar belai ba ngi layo e ka khubor ba ye ka Jingdawa jongi hadu ka bor jong ka jela kamut ha ka awang tinawai ha ka state level hapo jong ka jela ni lala ya kaban pen urlong hagning kenti ya kaba ki babon se kim sim na poi berkat bahkan long no menta rei kalau ke bapla ba ngila ban penong menta